Have you ever wondered how the practice of hair oiling came to be? What immense benefits have kept this tradition alive through centuries, across continents and cultures? Well, buckle up, because we are about to embark on a fascinating journey through time, exploring the history and the many benefits of hair oiling. Once upon a time, around 5,000 years ago, in the land of the Indus Valley civilization, hair oiling was born. This ancient civilization, known for its impressive urban planning and artistic ability, also gave us one of the most enduring hair care practices. They used oils derived from plants and herbs, such as sesame and coconut oil, to nourish their hair and maintain its lustrous beauty. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, and we find that the Egyptians too were fans of hair oiling. They used castor and almond oil, among others, to protect their hair from the harsh desert conditions. The practice was so integral to their culture that they even had hair oiling rituals for their revered pharaohs. As we travel further east, we discover that the Chinese, during the Tang Dynasty, also embraced this practice. They primarily used oils made from camellia seeds, known for their moisturizing and shine-enhancing properties. The tradition of hair oiling continued to spread, reaching the African continent, where shea butter and argan oil were used. This helped protect the hair from the intense sun and dry winds, while also providing vital nourishment. Fast forward to the 21st century, and hair oiling is now a global phenomenon. It's an integral part of many people's hair care routines, and for good reason. So what are these reasons? What benefits has hair oiling bestowed upon us throughout history? Well, first and foremost, hair oiling provides the much-needed nourishment to our hair. The various nutrients in the oils help strengthen the roots and promote hair growth. Secondly, hair oiling acts as a natural conditioner. It helps maintain the moisture balance of the hair, keeping it soft, shiny, and manageable. Moreover, the act of massaging the oil into the scalp increases blood circulation, which can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. In the modern world, with its pollution and harsh hair products, hair oiling also offers a natural protective barrier. It shields the hair from environmental damage, keeping it healthy and vibrant. In conclusion, the practice of hair oiling, a gift from our ancestors, has stood the test of time thanks to its myriad benefits. From the ancient civilizations of the Indus Valley, Egypt, and China, to modern-day beauty regimens worldwide, hair oiling has proven itself as a vital part of hair care. It nourishes, protects, conditions, and relaxes, offering a holistic approach to maintaining the health and beauty of our hair. The history and benefits of hair oiling are indeed fascinating, a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors, and a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are the simplest ones. So the next time you oil your hair, remember you're partaking in a tradition that has been passed down through millennia, a practice that has beautified and benefited countless generations.